In this video, you're going to learn about supply. Supply is going to tell us a relationship between price and quantity supplied. When we refer to price, we're looking at the price being set for selling the unit. So the producer gets to decide what this price is. When we say quantity supplied, we're looking at the total number of units that are being sold at that set price. For us to know the type of relationship that we have between price and quantity supplied, we look at the law of supply. And that tells us that we have a positive relationship between both price and quantity supplied. If price goes up, then quantity supplied will go up. They'll move in the same direction, showing that positive relationship. So let's see what it looks like in a graph. On the left column, we have price, and on the right column, we have quantity supplied. Notice as we go from $1 to $2.20, we see prices increasing. And when we move for quantity supplied from 500 to 720, we see quantity supplied also increases. To show this positive relationship on a graph, we're going to have price on the vertical axis, quantity supplied on the horizontal axis, and then origin on our bottom left. So if we take our first point, price of $1, and look at quantity supplied at its lowest point of 500, and then let's take our furthest point down at $2.20, and then we see the increase in quantity supplied to 720, so we know that we're going to come away from the origin, just like we came away from the origin for price when we wanted to increase its number. So we connect these two to get our second dot, and to draw the supply line, we just connect the dots. And that's our supply curve. So we see that it is upward sloping, increasing to the right, and that shows us our positive relationship. Another way to say it is our direct relationship. And if you look over in the textbook, you'll find something that looks very similar. So we start off at this point here at $1 and 500. And if we want to increase price, then we're also going to have to see an increase in quantity supplied, moving away from 0. Showing our positive relationship and our supply line. And that is supply.